Hey, welcome to Tutorial Assist. In this tutorial, I will show you how can you turn off your active status on Instagram. Just open your Instagram app. By the way, this is my new page, Tutorial Assist. Go follow it. You will learn something new. Then click on bottom right corner. Then click on these three lines you see on top right corner. Then go to settings. Then go to privacy option. Then you will see activity status option above the messages option. Click on activity status option. From here you can turn off and turn on your activity status on Instagram. Right now it is turned on, so I will not be able to see the activity status of other accounts that I follow. Right now it is turned on, so I will able to see the activity status of other account also. Just turned it off. Now it is turned off. So if you learn something from this tutorial, go follow my Instagram page and hit like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.